Hello guys, my name is Tatiana, and for this challenge you will need a piece of A4 sheet of paper, because this is what I'm going to be making a paper aeroplane out of. For starters, you will want to fold it in half like this. Make sure all the lines are directly on point, and then you'll just want to make a crease. Easy like so. Now, you want to take this part right here and fold it. Make sure all the lines are completely accurate. And then do the same thing on the other side. There we go. Now, you'll want to fold it over this piece. You want to get a grip here. Fold it like this. Now repeat the following step on the other side. And now it should look something like this. Now for the last step, you're going to want to fold it like that. And there you have it. Your very own paper plane. Okay guys, I would like you to like, subscribe, share and hit the bell. And I hope your day is great. Goodbye guys!